Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since you guys last saw my face and I'm super duper excited to be here. Actually, I'm stoked to be here. Thank you guys so much for staying here. Thank you for being amazing, and thank you to all of you who reached out to me when you didn't see my video last week. It meant the world to me. It still does mean the world to me, so I'm so grateful. So I'm just gonna give a quick explanation for why I wasn't here last week to do a video, and that's because I was feeling a bit under the weather and I was actually pretty stressed up. However, I'm much better, as you can tell, and I'm happy to be back on your screens. So I posted a picture some time ago on the community tab and I asked you lot if you would like to see a video showing how I personalize items such as cups, mugs, phone cases, t-shirts, and all of those, and you guys said you'd like to see. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I personalize items. So I have a video showing how I personalize t-shirts, you know, like this one I'm wearing, which is like the raised fist, and it's a sign of solidarity and support all over the world, basically a revolution sign. And if you are aware of what happened in Nigeria recently, or what is currently happening, because it's actually still happening, which is the NSAS, well, I made this t-shirts along with some of my friends who contributed towards the making of the t-shirts, and we gave them out. So yes, this t-shirt is basically like in support of the NSAS movement, a solidarity, showing our solidarity, our support, and obviously showing that this is a revolution. So yes, you guys should lend your voices. Also, I made this one here which says the power of the people is greater than the people in power. Well, Gonim. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm not even sure. So guys, yes, I have a video showing how I make you know, personalized t-shirts. I'm going to put a link in the iCards above so you guys can check it out. However, in today's video, we're going to be focusing on how I personalize items such as cups, phone cases, all of that. I'm going to be showing you all of that in a minute. However, you know, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ayotola, the creative director of So Unique by Adunni and the content creator of this YouTube channel, DIY with So Unique by Adunni. And this channel was created just for you, to teach you loads of crafts that you can do from the comfort of your home. So we focus mainly on sewing crafts. However, from time to time, you come across a couple of videos like this one, a craft video, as well as you know, some talk videos, and that just help you in the business of sewing or fashion. So guys, I'm sure you would like to be a part of that this family rather, and if that's something that you like to see, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button right here, as well as the notification bell, so you don't miss out on the awesome content that I have for you guys. I'll be elated if you guys join the family. So I hope you guys actually hit the subscribe button, and I hope you become a part of this family. And if you're an existing subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are the absolute best. So like I said, back to today's video. It's been a minute since I did one of those crafting videos, so I'm so excited to be doing that today, and I'm going to be showing you how I've made different items. So this is my phone case. I don't know if you guys can see, and I've got like a drawing of I've got an image of a dog right here on the phone case. So yeah, because of the light, it's hard to see, but I'm trying to see if I can get a good angle. So I made that phone case, and it's got IoT, which is kind of like what some people call me. So yes, that's my phone case. So I made that as well. So all you need is just your blanks. Obviously I made that as well, which is like Ariel from Little Mermaid, and it's got my name just right there on the other side. And then I made this for one of my friends who got married. She made a couple for her friends, and that is there. It's got my initials because I'm her friend as well. Hi SSY. So yes, I've got loads of stuff that I have made for people, and I still make for people. I have this box that I made for some bridesmaids, and that's got a name, Yvonne, and it says made of honor. So this is just like a sample box. This is my copy, but obviously I make stuff like this all the time, and I do all of that, guys. Guess what? I do all of that with this machine right here. So guys, I'm introducing you guys to this machine. This is the Cameo 4, and it's from Silhouette America. So it is the Silhouette Cameo 4, if I'm correct. And if you would like to shop, guess what guys, I've got a link in the description bar. It's an affiliate link, and if you're in America, I think I've got a link, and if you're in the UK as well, I'll put a link there, so you can check out the links in the description bar to buy this machine, and as well as the new ones. They've got a new one. They've got one that's about 24 inches long. This is only about 12, I think, but they've got a 24 inches long one. So if you're looking to shop that machine, you definitely want to go through the links if you want to support me. So when you go through the links in the description bar, you kind of give me the opportunity to earn a little bit of a commission without an extra cost to you guys. So guys, please use the links in the description bar to help me. and, you know, just donate a little to my life, you know, help me. So yes guys, so today that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So, you know, I'm going to hook up my machine and my laptop now, and then I will come back to you guys to show you. We are going to be customizing this wine glass today, and we're going to be writing something witty on it. So I'm thinking we just might write liquid therapy, because I saw a wine glass like that and it was really nice. So that's what we're going to put it on here, liquid therapy. And just to quickly explain, when we're doing clothes, the kind of vinyl you use for clothes is called heat transfer vinyl, which is different from what you use for cups and all of that. So for cups and all of that, you use adhesive vinyl, right? Meanwhile, for clothes, you use heat transfer vinyl, and they're pretty different, and I'm going to try and tell you the difference along the video. So I hope you guys sit tight and enjoy the video. All right, people, so before we get into it, as you can see, I'm opening up the Silhouette Studio software. I've upgraded to the business edition and I absolutely love it. However, when you buy your Silhouette machine, it comes with, or your Cameo machine rather, it comes with the basic edition software, which works actually well, except then you want to go commercial or you want to do it as a business, then I'd advise that you shop the business software. However, a couple of things that I wanted to show you guys: when you have a Silhouette and you want to work, I do recommend that you use a mat, even though the Silhouette works without a mat. Obviously, as you guys can see, this mat is pretty clean, and that's because it's a new mat, guys. I've got a couple of, you know, old ones that I have right here, and I've actually wrecked the life, guys. I've had it for so long, this too, and they're really old and dirty. So I've got this new one right here. So this is the mat. When you buy the machine, it comes with a mat. Obviously, you're also going to need some transfer tape, and while they have like other brands of transfer tape, guys, I use this Hot Fix one, and I swear by it, it actually works really well. Also, you want to make sure that your whatever blank surface you're using, is properly wiped down to remove all the dirt that will prevent the adhesive vinyl from staying on. So I've put some alcohol onto my paper towel, and I'm just wiping it down properly just to make sure that it's clean, and I just need to wipe that down properly. Also, like I said, we're going to be working with adhesive vinyl. So I've got my adhesive vinyl here, and I've got the Oracle 651 vinyl. There are different types. Also, I'll put a link in the description bar where you can buy your vinyl. So yes, I've got all of these colors, and I haven't decided what color we'll be using yet, but I've got all of them right here. And as you can see, I also put some vinyl on my Cameo machine, and that's what it looks like. And the machine is so pretty, guys. So when I turn it on, this is what happens. You just see the Cameo come up, and it's just so gorgeous and so pretty. Also, I mean, I know that some people are going to ask me where I got mine. I got my Cameo machine in America. I got it from Swing Designs, and then I brought it back to Nigeria. DHL helped me bring it back to Nigeria. So yes, if you're interested in buying yours abroad, you can definitely do that and have DHL ship it here. They're reliable. However, if you want to ship via alternative means, that's always an option. And if you want to buy locally, I know someone in Lagos, Nigeria, who sells. So yes, let me know, and I'll leave their contact information or their Instagram in the description bar below. So obviously, as you can see, the software has opened rather, and we're just going to get into it. So usually what happens is, when you get to the library section, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to zoom it. So when you get to the library section, you can obviously just get files that you've bought, or you can buy designs off the software, or you can make your designs and, you know, choose your fonts. So I'm going to move the camera a bit closer so you lot can see. Alright guys, so we're going to be working with this color for our liquid therapy wine glass, and this is like a navy blue. So I'm going to go ahead, I put it on my mat, my new mat, and I'm going to go ahead and fit this into my machine, making sure that I align it properly into my machine. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the design that I want on here. So I'm going ahead to select the text function. And like I said, this is not a detailed tutorial, but if you want a detailed tutorial, let me know and I'll see what I can do about that. So I'm going to go ahead and write liquid, right, as one word, and I'm going to go ahead and write therapy as another word, because I want them to be two different fonts. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, liquid therapy. And for the first one, I'm going to go ahead and select both of them and make it black so that you can see properly. So I'll put the fill color as black as well as the outline color as black. So that's what it looks like right now. I'm going to go ahead and zoom this a little bit closer so that you guys have a feel of what I'm saying. Yeah, so that's what it looks like now. Liquid therapy. Okay, so now that that's that with that, I'm going to go ahead and yeah, change the font. So for the liquid, I'm going to go with a font that I have here that is called Butterfly. I really like it, so I'm going to go ahead and use that font. I'm going to make sure I weld and group it together. And then for my therapy, I'm going to go ahead with a font, but I don't know which one I want yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and look through the fonts that I have here. Alright guys, so after donkey years, I finally decided on the font combination that I wanted to use, and I'm pretty happy with the result because it's basically a simple project. So I went ahead to design that, and I'm going to put a weeding box so that I'm able to cut it all around it. So I'm going ahead to put the weeding box now, and yeah, just something really basic. And then I'm going ahead to hit send. So I have my settings as vinyl glossy, which was the last thing that I cut. So I'm going to go ahead and send, and send as it is. So guys, as you can see, the Cameo silhouette is a pretty noisy machine. So that's it. Oops, yikes, that's a jam. All right guys, so a bit last minute, I changed my color to something a bit more Christmassy. So I've got a reddish kind of, a shade of red actually. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit send and send as it is, and then the machine is going to cut it real quick. So the Cameo is not a very quiet machine. Actually, it's pretty noisy, as you can hear. Alright guys, so it's done cutting now. I'm just going to press that button now, the arrow down, and it's going to eject, and this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty large, but I did intend for it to be large so that I can go round. So I'm going to unplug my machine. I'm going to put my laptop aside so that you guys can see how I put this on. Alright guys, so we've come to the very end of this video, and this is what our custom wine glass looks like. And as you can see, it says liquid therapy on there. I'm super duper happy with the result that we got, and like I said, this video was just like a basic or like an introduction. So I hope you guys want to see like a more detailed tutorial. I'll be more than happy to do a video or 2 or 3 on that for you guys, so that you guys can actually see how the Cameo works. But this machine is absolutely amazing. If you're a very crafty person, you definitely want to invest in one of this. And like I said, you can shop using the links that I have in my description bar of every single video. Yes guys, so thank you guys for staying tuned with me. Thank you for staying on here with me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments, suggestions and feedback in the comment section below. I love to read from you guys. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them right there and I will definitely get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for joining me guys, and I will see you in my next video next Sunday. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.